In a bustling city nestled between towering skyscrapers and buzzing traffic lived a young student named Akira. He was known among his peers for his enthusiasm and determination, yet despite his efforts, he struggled to manage his time effectively and excel in his studies. Days seemed to slip away from him, leaving him stressed and overwhelmed by unfinished assignments and unread books. One day, as the autumn leaves began to fall, Akira stumbled upon a tranquil garden hidden away from the chaos of the city. In the heart of the garden stood a small temple, where a wise old monk named Master Ren resided. Akira, intrigued by the aura of serenity that surrounded the place, decided to seek the monk's guidance. Master Ren, with his long flowing beard and serene smile, welcomed Akira into the temple. As they sat amidst the fragrant blossoms and the gentle sound of flowing water, Akira poured out his troubles, explaining his constant struggle with managing time and studying effectively. The old monk listened patiently and then, with a knowing nod, said, "Young one, the key to success lies not in working harder but in working smarter. Let me share with you the story of a student much like yourself." Master Ren began to weave a tale of a student named Kaito, who was once in the same position as Akira. Kaito realized that he needed to change his approach. He sought out Master Ren, just as Akira had, and learned the valuable lesson of time management and efficient studying. Kaito understood that time is a precious resource, the monk continued. He recognized that to achieve greatness, he must prioritize his tasks. He divided his day into segments, allocating time for studying, resting, and pursuing his interests. With a balanced schedule, he approached each task with a clear mind and unwavering focus. Akira's eyes sparkled with intrigue as he listened to the story. The monk's words resonated deeply within him, like a whisper of wisdom he had been longing to hear. Master Ren explained, Kaito also learned the importance of taking breaks. He understood that pushing oneself relentlessly leads to burnout. By stepping away from his studies for a while, he returned with renewed vigor and creativity. Furthermore, Kaito mastered the art of staying focused. He created a conducive environment for learning, free from distractions. He silenced the allure of social media and embraced deep, undistracted study sessions. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the garden, Master Ren concluded, "The path to success, young Akira, lies in valuing time, prioritizing tasks, and finding a balance between work and rest. These lessons are not just for academic pursuits, but for life itself." Inspired by the monk's teachings, Akira embarked on a new journey. He implemented the lessons he had learned from the monk's story. He crafted a structured schedule, set clear priorities, and incorporated breaks into his routine. He transformed his study space into a sanctuary of focus, shutting out the noise of the world. Weeks turned into months, and Akira's efforts bore fruit. His grades began to soar, and more importantly, he felt a sense of control and accomplishment that had eluded him before. Word spread about Akira's transformation, and soon, his peers sought his advice on effective studying. Years later, as a successful scholar, Akira looked back on his journey. He realized that the monk's teachings had not only shaped his academic success, but had also enriched his life in immeasurable ways. Akira had discovered the true value of time through the wisdom of working smarter, not just harder. And so the tale of Akira and Master Ren's wisdom spread far and wide, a reminder that in a world consumed by haste, the art of managing time and studying efficiently could unlock not only academic achievements, but also a more fulfilling and purposeful life.